Hi everyone, welcome back to my commerce class. Today I am going to explain about the branch account. It's a chapter of financial accounting. Okay, let's understand the meaning of branch account and what are the objectives of branch account. So branch account is a bookkeeping system in which separate accounts are kept for each branch to understand the financial position of each branch, to know the trading result of each branch. Okay, so that means a business entity may be having different branches in different areas for its business activities, for expansion of sales and all, and the books of accounts of each branch to be kept separately so that they can understand the financial position and the result of each branch. So the books maintained separately for each branch is called branch account, and it is done with objectives like ascertain the profit and loss of each branch, to know the financial position of each branch, and to have a control over the branch transactions. Okay, so that they can understand the performance and they can take the future decisions based on the financial activities of each branch. Okay, so the branch accounts are maintained in two systems. The one is branch debtors system, another one is branch final accounts system. So branch data system is a system wherein branch account and debtors account both are maintained by the head office. Okay, so debtors account is maintained when there is a credit transaction, credit sales or done by the branch. So, okay, to know the opening and closing balances or to know the total amount of credit sales done in the branch, they'll open the debtors account, and based on that they'll finalize the branch account. So the another one is branch final account. So this is the final accounts maintained by the branch. Okay, the records are maintained by the head office as well as the branch, and the branch will prepare final accounts. That's a trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet to have a proper record of the branch. Usually the big branch where huge number of transactions are there, they want to keep the final accounts separately for future references. Okay, so now I'll take an example, simple example to understand how the branch account is maintained. So branch means there's a separate unit to which the goods are sent by the head office. Head office will send the materials. Okay, goods are sent to the branch and branch receives the goods which are sent by the head office, and that are to be sold as per the instruction of the head office. Okay, let us see how the things are maintained in an accounting procedure. Look at this problem. Kirti Limited had its head office in Bangalore and the branch at Mysore. You are given the following information related to Mysore branch for the year ended 30th June 2024. Okay, so what are the information given? So they have given the information of opening balances at branch. Okay, the stock at branch on 1st July 2023, 38,400. Petty cash at branch on 1st July 2030, that is 130. Goods sent to branch 55,100. Goods returned by the branch 4,700. Cash sales at branch 85,200. And there are other expenses incurred by the branch. So all these expenses are paid by the head office. Paid by the head office only. Salaries 15,300. Rent 3,600. Petty cash 3,100. Prepare Mysore branch account in the books of head office. Okay, now let's go to the solution part. This is a format of branch account in the books of head office. That's a Kirti Limited. In the books of head office, you are preparing a Mysore branch account for the year of 2024. Okay, so I just made it. Opening stock, what is given in the problem? That's stock at branch 38,400. Petty cash 130 is given. Goods sent to the branch 55,100, 55,100. Goods returned by the branch 4,700. Goods returned by the branch 4,700. Sales. So sales 85,200 taken on the credit side. Bank account sales 85,200. And the closing balances, if it is not given in the problem, sometimes they'll give the stock at branch at the end of the period. So if it is given, it has to be recorded on the credit side after the sales, but not given here. And they are given certain expenses which are paid by the head office. So we'll take it as a bank account. Which are the expenses? Salaries 15,300, rent 3,600, and petty cash 3,100. Okay, that together it becomes 22,000. Okay, expenses to be taken on the debit side. Now we have to find the result of branch account, maybe profit or loss. But here we are getting the higher value on the debit side. The total is 1,15,630. The difference is 25,730. So this is a loss. Okay, there is a loss. This is the loss. That means branch is incurring a loss. So the company, that the head office has to plan to overcome this loss. They have to execute certain, they have to frame certain policies to minimize or to overcome the loss. Okay. I'll take one more example in the coming video. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.